All right, we're excited to be here in Washington, D.C. At the United States Conference of Mayors, and there are so many good milestones being accomplished in this conference. But in particular, here to make a nice announcement with Brian about our partnership. For those of you that may not know me, my name is Kelvin King. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Alpha Drones USA. And also joining me is
Brian Winling, President of Rolling Suds Inc. And we are franchising our company through the nation. And what we do is we clean the outside of buildings and water towers we've done. And with the drones, we're all excited to partner with Alpha here so we can actually do a lot of drone cleaning up in the cities for larger buildings, a lot of management companies who work through and governments. Jobs, so that way we can all clean up a lot of cities. And with working with Kelvin here, I think that we could have a great partnership, and we will use the drones a lot, and it really saves us a lot of time. We use a lot of lifts where we get 80, 100, 35-foot lifts to clean a lot, and not only with using the drones is a lot safer for us and our company. It helps a lot, and it actually could, with a couple drones working at the same time too, we could actually do the building faster and more efficient. And that's really what it is about our company, is to make sure that we can get in and out as fast and efficient as we possibly can, especially inside cities where there's larger buildings and you're spraying soap and water everywhere, so we can go everywhere with cars and people. So if we can get in and out of a job and we go at like 5 in the morning and get done by 9, it will save us a lot of time and effort on making sure down below in the streets that there's no problems. So we are very excited about this, and we think that this is going to be a great partnership. And not only is it going to help, everybody, with all the cleaning services that we do, but it will really save a lot of time and also be a lot safer for all of our employees.
I agree. At Alpha Drones, we have been waiting for this partnership. We've been waiting for the right partner to bring all of our resources in a collaborative relationship. So this joint venture partnership is going to serve as an international model of how you can collaborate the biggest of the best at cleaning with innovative technologies like drones that can clean properties. We are a drone entity, an aerospace company. We're also a flight school. So to be able to bring all of these resources together to serve the entire country is a huge innovative experiment that we are confident will prove to be successful. We've already been working together. We've done some projects together. It's worked out flawlessly. We know that we've got a lot of work ahead of us.
Yes.
There's thousands of volume of jobs in a short period of time that we need to successfully complete. And the collaborative efforts of bringing the best aviators together with the best professionals in the cleaning sector is really important. So we are excited. We can't wait to get started. We're looking at a 3-year agreement initially. Hopefully it'll be a 30+ year agreement. But one of the things that we've worked hard on is to start our relationship focusing on flexibility. When we pioneer what we're pioneering, we know that this is not easy, and we're going to have to make some tweaks along the way. So we're excited to sign our agreement and get started, and go to marketplace and show the world how to do this and how to do it properly.